Asterisk. Once you learn to function at the peak of consciousness, everything will become a play, Sadhguru. I sent an invite on a WhatsApp group of golfers at PAF Skyview Golf Club Lahore last night. Within no time, a flight of early birds was formed for a post-on takeoff. I booked a caddy courtesy of the internet and allied services. Most things can be done on the phone, and usually without speaking a single word. Late at night, one of us dropped out for some lazy reason. We accepted the chap's regrets and decided to play English, otherwise known as split sixes. The first hole is par 4, which ended this morning with a bogey, a double, and a triple. I, as usual, finished the first round staying in the middle both on the fairways and on the scorecard. Generally in life I choose to remain on the middle path, as I always try to read between the lines. Driving in the middle lane may not be fast and furious, but rest assured it will get you home safely. Second is a par 5, and I scored nothing there, while the two fellows split it in half. Long roads usually wear out the passengers, and golfers seldom keep calm on par 5s. The third one is par 3, about 180 yards, surrounded almost entirely by encircling water hazards. Despite a poor tee shot, I made a bogey there again, staying in the middle of the fairway. The next fairway is a dogleg par 5, with an OB on the one side and accompanied by two of the strangest of all water hazards. Skyview Golf Course is a narrow and difficult course, so this fairway tests the skills of golfers of all handicaps. I obliged both the OB and a water hazard. In regards to the favors from the two fellow golfers, I acquired 2 points there as well. Now comes another dogleg again, facilitated by two more water hazards and a long egg-like, sloped green. This green is nothing less than a test of the control of the chip shot. Sharp slopes, ditching bunkers, deep water hazards, and the narrow nature of this green gauges your patience and precision. Although in theory it is usually reachable, I never tried to land on this green. Playing a less club leads to better outcomes here. In fact, self-control always bears better fruits in life. A bogey comes as a great relief, and I walked to the next par 3. For me, the worst part of playing golf so far has always been hitting the ball. Dave Barry, the designer of PAF Skyview GC, is a real thirsty crow, or he loves frogs. Knowingly or unknowingly, it is designed as some sort of magical rainwater system. Minutes after rainfall, golf is resumed. I have a strange relationship with this hole. For some unknown reason, this hole holds a grudge against me. Nevertheless, I always try to proceed across these fairways as gently as possible. A bogey, or double, will do. I strolled through the rest of the round with bogeys and doubles. PAF Golf Course is also known for its wooden bridges. Bridge or no bridge, you will see a traffic of turtles visiting pond after pond. And if it's not the traveling turtles, it's a series of airplanes landing and taking off above the fairways. PAF Skyview GC is situated at Allama Iqbal International Airport, Lahore. You will also hear repeated air shots being fired prior to the landing of the flights. This firing scares away the birds from the airport locale. Lahore is known for heavy bird activity. You will often see big birds trying to lift balls from fairways. It's all about flights, golf flights, bird flights, airline flights, and flights of mind, which eventually lead to flights of souls. This is love to fly toward a secret sky, to cause 100 veils to fall each moment. First, to let go of life. Finally, to take a step without feet. Rumi. I want to narrate the full tale of this round, but I am limited by time and the length of the blog. I will complete this story some other time. Credits.